Focus now on the horrible feelings connected to debt. Focus now on all those horrible feelings inside your body. Notice that the debts are mounting up, getting bigger and bigger and bigger, piling up. Allow yourself now to notice that there's an image, a specific image connected to this debt. And notice it comes up to the left or to the right. Notice how prominent the image is connected to the debt, the mounting debt. It may look like a specific bill. Follow those feelings now into your body and notice, just take a memory of how close that is to your face now, the image connected to that. Follow those feelings now into your body of that specific bill that's driving you mad. Find that place inside your heart, your mind and your stomach. Notice how all the tension in your stomach is connected to this invoice, this bill. Follow those feelings into your body. I want you to go to the previous life experience where you first came across, perhaps went through bankruptcy, witnessed your parents going through bankruptcy, something horrible, connected to childhood memories, connected to having no money, being poor and not being able to pay, being buried in debt. Drop beneath those feelings now in your stomach and notice what you notice. Drop into that darkness. Drop beneath the darkness. What's beneath the darkness? Open up the Akashic records in the context of debt in previous lives and allow yourself now to drop down through all the debts in every lifetime that you've experienced on this existence, this plane, being buried in debt, being poor, not being able to pay your bills, struggling through life. Drop through all the struggle, the hardships, till you come to the earliest memory in your existence as a soul on this planet. Drop beneath all of that. Drop beneath all of that. Drop beneath all of those lives. As you open up the Akashic records, you find yourself now in a position to see yourself where you first created this belief and took on this belief that you were poor, that you were destined to be poor, almost like cursed. Ask yourself now to see yourself through the eyes of God or the universe or whatever you believe in, the higher power. How does God see you? How does the universe see you? That's right, with love. It's okay to love yourself. It's okay to love yourself. I want you to see that positive white light, deserving money, that you deserve to have money, you deserve to have the ability to pay these debts and to be debt free. Find that place in your heart where you can use debt to benefit by having some credit, to be able to buy a home, to own your own home, to change your perception to the debt, that you're just using money, not allow this to ever get on top of you again. See if yourself paying bills without any negative emotions, being free from the burdens of debt. Focus now on yourself, being relaxed around debt, being relaxed around using money, and recognise that this is all just a game and that you're going to play it differently from now on. Cut all the cords connected to your stomach, connected to the debts that you currently owe. Connect all the cords connected to the debts that you previously owned. Release yourself from all that debt now. Release yourself from any negative emotions connected to what you had and what you lost, and any jealousy connected to what you don't have. focus now on what you specifically have and what's important in your life. Your family, your home, your car, your career, your hobbies. Look at all those great things around you. Start to love yourself now. See white light flowing through you, filling up your stomach. See yourself now having like a gold reserve inside your stomach of eternal internal stability, which will eternally flow throughout your life and allow you to progress forward. Be the best version of yourself. Now slowly cut all the cords. See the white light, and then close the Akashic records in the context of past lives where you've been poor and you've handled debt badly. Let go of all of that right now. Then float towards the here, now and present, placing the new learnings, the new experiences, putting positive colours into every situation and mind your situation. Whenever you think about that now, you will notice, you will see the image of you being successful, calm, focused, and grateful for what you have. Notice now what's happened to that image that was connected to the left side of your face or to the right side of your face. Notice how the image has changed. How has it changed? And when you're ready, you can either drift into a gentle sleep, or you can listen to the loop where we play this over and over and over again until the repetition sticks within your unconscious mind, your subconscious mind. This is New Leaf Program. Feel free to subscribe.